Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about my first swallow. The red-rumped swallow. The red-rumped swallow is a small passerine bird in the swallow family. They resemble barn swallows but are darker below and have pale or reddish rumps, face and neck color. The Indian and African birds are resident, but European and other Asian birds are migratory. They winter in Africa or India and are vagrants in Christmas Island and northern Australia. Varies a lot across range. European and African birds have clean whitish or orangish underparts, while Asian birds are extensively streaked below. They do not normally form large breeding colonies, but are social outside the breeding season. Many hundreds can be seen at a time on the plains of India. Builds mud nests in mountains, sea cliffs, and on buildings and other structures. Forages over open areas. Their calls are like locally named Nithamba Rathu wahilihiniya. I have not seen the red-rumped swallow. The video that you see here is of a lake safari that we done recently in Hembegarmua Lake. We set out to see many birds, but we came across the most amazing thing. 2 elephants crossed the lake into an island. They were so close to us. It was incredible.